Power, speed, and reliability matter when tackling programming, coding, and demanding coursework. Best Laptop for CSE students helps you code efficiently, compile faster, run virtual machines smoothly, and stay productive through every assignment, project, and semester with dependable performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Samsung KA2US Laptop. The Samsung KA2US laptop is a practical and portable device designed for students, professionals, and everyday users who need reliable performance while on the move. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry between classes, offices, or travel destinations without adding unnecessary bulk. Built with durability in mind, the laptop features a sturdy construction that helps it withstand minor bumps and everyday wear. One of its biggest strengths is the long-lasting battery, which can provide up to 12 hours of usage, reducing the need to constantly search for a power outlet. Fast wireless connectivity allows users to browse, stream, and complete online tasks efficiently, while seamless integration with Android phones makes transferring files and managing devices simple. The included cloud storage benefits add extra value for users who work with documents, photos, and media. Overall, this laptop offers a well-balanced combination of portability, convenience, durability, and dependable everyday functionality. Number 2. Acer Aspire Go Laptop. The Acer Aspire Go laptop is a versatile machine that delivers strong performance for productivity, entertainment, and everyday computing. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor paired with 16 GB of memory and a fast 512 GB SSD, it handles multitasking smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, attending virtual meetings, browsing the web, or streaming content, the laptop remains responsive and dependable. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display provides sharp visuals and good viewing angles, making it enjoyable for both work and entertainment. Acer's Blue Light Shield technology helps reduce eye strain during long hours of use, adding extra comfort for students and professionals. Connectivity is another highlight, with a full-function USB-C port, Wi-Fi 6 support, and HDMI 2.1 for modern device compatibility. Combined with solid battery life and a user-friendly design, the Aspire Go is a dependable choice for anyone seeking performance, convenience, and everyday reliability.
Number 3. ASUS Vivobook Laptop. The ASUS Vivobook laptop is an excellent everyday computer that combines practical performance, portability, and comfort in a sleek package. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, 8 GB of memory, and 256 GB of storage, it is well suited for web browsing, document editing, online learning, video streaming, and other daily activities. The 15.6-inch Full HD display delivers clear visuals and vibrant image quality, helping users enjoy movies, presentations, and online content with ease. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics ensure smooth playback and reliable visual performance for routine tasks. A notable advantage is its battery life, which can last up to 11 hours, allowing users to stay productive throughout the day without frequent charging interruptions. The full-size chiclet keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad enhances typing comfort and makes data entry more convenient. Overall, the Vivobook offers dependable functionality, solid battery performance, and excellent value for everyday computing needs. Number 4. Dell DC-1525 Laptop. The Dell DC-1525 laptop is designed to provide dependable performance and everyday convenience for students, professionals, and home users. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, it delivers the speed needed for common tasks such as web browsing, office work, online classes, and multimedia consumption. Its clean and professional design makes it suitable for both personal and business environments. Dell places a strong emphasis on user comfort, featuring Comfort View technology that helps reduce blue light exposure and makes extended viewing sessions easier on the eyes. The spacious keyboard layout, complete with a dedicated numeric keypad and calculator shortcut, improves productivity and simplifies data entry tasks. An ergonomic hinge design slightly lifts the keyboard for a more comfortable typing angle during long work sessions. The energy-efficient battery and express charge support help minimize downtime and keep users productive. Overall, this laptop offers a solid blend of comfort, reliability, efficiency, and everyday performance.
Number 5. HP 108880H Laptop. The HP 108880H laptop is a high-performance device built for users who acquire speed, multitasking capability, and modern features for work, study, and entertainment. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U processor and backed by 32 GB of DDR4 memory, it delivers smooth performance even when running multiple demanding applications simultaneously. The spacious 1TB SSD provides fast system responsiveness and ample storage for files, software, and multimedia content. Its 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display adds flexibility and convenience, allowing users to interact directly with projects, presentations, and creative tasks. Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals for content creation, video editing, streaming, and casual gaming. Windows 11 Pro enhances productivity with business-focused features, while Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable wireless connectivity. Additional highlights include a privacy camera, multiple connectivity ports, and included chargers. Overall, this laptop combines power, versatility, storage capacity, and premium productivity features in one package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.